There's not a lot of traffic around here these parts these days. Let's see if we can get some sideband on there. Yeah, if we're lucky, we might hear somebody on there. We'll key it up and give it the old audio check. Audio. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. Oh yeah, it sounded good. Got this hooked up to the old Delta 2. Alright, next to it, you can kind of see some of my other radios that I got. Here's one of my Spark-o-Matics. These Spark-o-Matics are pretty cool. Again, this was an AM only radio. That just doesn't cut it. So I stuck in a sideband mobile radio on this guy too. Put in a frequency counter. It's got the red look on this guy with the red meters. Yeah, everybody liked these Spark-o-Matics because they looked really cool, but they were just a cheap radio. So those guts are gone. Okay, moving over here, we got this is a Grandstand. Another European radio that was FM only. And 220 volts. What really drew me to this radio was, look at the clarifier knob. It's this big, I'm not sure if this is staying in focus, but it's got this big silver knob. Now remember, this was FM radio. Why it had a clarifier, I'm not really sure. But I yanked out all the guts, ripped out that clock, put in a nice mobile radio with a free counter, and voila. Now you got a nice American radio. And last but not least, we got ourselves an air command. Now, I don't know if people know about these air commands made by SuperScope. These were the same people that made Marantz radios. So you got to check this little thing out. This little clamshell radio. Kind of funky, if you want to say, but it had this big, beautiful blue meter. So, yeah, we just, you know, took out all the guts, and it was hard to find a radio small enough that would fit in here. But I put a PC 122 in this guy, along with a frequency counter. Yeah, it's a beauty. What do you think? All right, that's 4 of my Super Frankenstein modified radios. I hope you enjoyed the video. 73s.